Now students, we have discussed the chapter number 1 resources, and I have given you the brief summary of this chapter again today, and now it's the time to do exercise. So let's do the exercise. Our first question is, why are resources distributed unevenly over the earth? And the answer is here: the physical conditions of climate are different. Students, you know that the physical condition in different areas is very much different in different parts of the earth, and due to these variations means differences of terrain, climate and altitude means height above the sea level, etc., the distribution of resources is unequal. Okay, now our second question is, what is resource conservation? Resource conservation means resource बचाना, उसको क्या कहते हैं? The answer is using the resources wisely. Wisely means बहुत ध्यान से and carefully, so that it will be available, जिससे कि वो coming generation के लिए भी बची रहे, is known as resource conservation. Now our third chapter is, why are human resources important? Now the answer is, human resources are very important because they can utilize the natural resources in the best way to generate, means to make more resources with their, you may write applying, you may write with their knowledge and technology. अपने टेक्नोलॉजी और नॉलेज को लगा के जो ह्यूमन बीइंग नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को एक अच्छा और भी बेस्ट तरीके से रिसोर्स बनाते हैं, उसको कहते हैं ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट? अब नाउ द आंसर इज बैलेंसिंग द नीड. बैलेंसिंग मीन्स हमें क्या करना है, रिसोर्सेज को यूज़ भी करना है वाइजली एंड ऑल्सो कंजर्व, और उनको बचा के भी रखना है फॉर द फ्यूचर. It's called sustainable development. Now your question number 2 is your multiple choice question. And which one of the following does not make substance? Substance होता किसी भी चीज़ को, a resource. इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ की वजह से कोई भी चीज़ एक रिसोर्स नहीं बनती? यूटिलिटी, अगर हम यूज़ करेंगे तो पता लग जाएगा रिसोर्स है. वैल्यू, लेकिन उसकी क्वांटिटी से हमें नहीं पता कि वो हमारे लिए रिसोर्स है या ऐसे ही कोई सब्सटेंस है. सो आंसर इज यूटिलिटी, सॉरी क्वालिटी, आई एम सॉरी. नेक्स्ट इज, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्स? इनमें से कौन सा एक ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्स है? द फर्स्ट इज मेडिसिन्स टू ट्रीट कैंसर, द सेकेंड इज स्प्रिंग वाटर, एंड द थर्ड इज ट्रॉपिकल forest. And the answer is medicines to treat cancer, because spring water, it is natural, tropical forest, it is natural. Okay, now next question is, complete the statement. And what is biotic resources? The first point is, derived means मिलते हैं from living beings, made by human beings, and derived from non-living things. If it is derived by non-living things, surely it will not be biotic. If it will be made by human being, it is human made resource. So the answer is first, derived from living beings, and the answers are here on next page. Now our next question is, differentiate between potential and actual resource. Potential means जिसमें पावर है लेकिन हम उनको यूज़ नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. Now the definition is, a resource whose entire quantity is not known. अभी हमें पता ही नहीं लग रहा है कि कितनी क्वांटिटी में है, and not being used, और जिसको हम आज यूज़ नहीं कर पा रहे हैं but could be used in future. Okay, and because the present technology level of technology is not advanced, क्योंकि हमारे पास ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी भी नहीं है जो इसको हम यूज़ कर सकें. एग्जाम्पल, द यूरेनियम फाउंड इन लद्दाख. It could be used in future, but now we are unable to use it properly. Now actual resource, a resource whose quantity is known. इसकी क्वांटिटी को का हमें पता है, and it is currently being used. इसको हम यूज़ भी कर रहे हैं, and the present level of technology, जो टेक्नोलॉजी हमारी आज है वो इसको निकालने में, यूज़ करने में कैपेबल है, Example, the dark soil of the Deccan Plateau in Maharashtra, and you may write the coal in central part of India. So it is potential resource and actual resource. Now your next question is ubiquitous and localized resources. UB means everywhere. So a resource which is found everywhere is known as ubiquitous resources. The example, air, water, sunlight, soil, wind, everywhere, everything. And localized resources, the resources which are found in some places, in certain places. For example, metal, oil, coal is not found everywhere. So in certain places it is found. So they are known as localized resources. So your exercise is also completed today, and your brief summary of the chapter is also completed, and I hope you will be able to learn all the question answers, and even in text questions also you will be able to learn. Okay, so this is all for the day. Thank you.